Recently on Plumpy Cat. In Pet Simulator X, Plumpy Cat donated some gems to a greedy mystery merchant who decided it was time to raise his prices, while Preston doubled our rank rewards in an attempt to distract us, but Plumpy Cat was not fooled, exposing these conspiracies as they unfolded. We open our Pokédex and show off a few Pokemon collected over the ages, and the newest additions to the team. Discovering new species from new and old collections while sharing the suspense with you. Plumpy Cat serves to ensure that no Pokemon is left behind. We're here for you, friends, no matter what. With giveaways for subscribers to the channel. In the Ultra Wild West Red Dead Redemption Online, we observe some strange happenings.
Do you know who I am? And I'll let you live!
Yeet! Then Plumpy Cat skips the mining and dives right into crafting with some Minecraft creative mode. In Fortnite, we get into some trickery and aim for the victory as always with help from friends. Plumpy Cat would like to thank everyone for supporting the channel and helping the team reach 30 subs. Like, sub, ring that bell for much more ever-evolving content to come.